Imagine a world where landing your dream healthcare job abroad is as easy as a few clicks. GlobalHealthJobs.ai is revolutionizing this dream into reality with its AI-powered platform, tailored specifically for healthcare professionals. Discover how AI simplifies your job search and visa application process, making international healthcare careers accessible to everyone. With GlobalHealthJobs.ai, your global career aspirations are just a step away. Apply directly to verified employers in over 50 countries, ensuring authenticity and eliminating scams. Our visa wizards provide step-by-step guidance, simplifying complex visa processes for healthcare professionals. Create professional CVs and cover letters effortlessly with our ATS generator. Prepare for exams with AI-driven mock interviews and practice tests, ensuring you're ready for any challenge. Our scam protection checker verifies job offers for authenticity, safeguarding your career journey. Learn 25 healthcare languages with our interactive AI tutors, enhancing your global communication skills. Understand the benefits of our premium membership, offering exclusive access to verified employers, visa wizards, and unlimited exam prep. Your success is our priority. Join thousands of healthcare professionals already benefiting from our platform. Visit GlobalHealthJobs.ai and register for free to begin your journey towards an international healthcare career. Take the first step towards a global career with AI support. By leveraging our platform, you'll unlock unparalleled opportunities in the healthcare sector worldwide.